In this tutorial, we will see how we can use LTSPICE to generate an IV curve for an NPN transistor. To start off with, I've already placed a few components on the schematic, a current source, a voltage source, and this ground symbol here. To find the NPN transistor, go up to Component and select NPN. After placing the symbol onto my schematic, I need to choose what the model number is or part number is for the transistor. I can do that by hovering over the symbol, right-clicking on it, click on Pick New Transistor, and I'll choose the second one down the list here, the 2N3904. Next, I'll proceed to connect the schematic. Okay, so with the connection now completed, I will assign values to these sources. 5 volt for the voltage source, and I will use 10 microamps for the base current. To set up the DC sweep, so what we want to do is create a plot of the collector current as I vary the collector to emitter voltage. So an IC versus VCE graph. The setup of DC sweep, we go to Edit, Spice Analysis, and click on DC sweep. We can sweep multiple sources, but for this tutorial, I will sweep only this voltage source here. And so I need to specify the name. It's V1. The type of sweep, I can take linear steps, steps that are going up logarithmically, or specify a custom list. I'll use a linear sweep, go from 0 volts across the transistor up to 5 volts in steps of 0.1 volts. Click OK. This command follows my mouse cursor, and I need to click on the schematic to drop it down. Now I'm ready to run the simulation. Do that by clicking the Run symbol here. To plot the collector current versus the swept variable, so this is V1 being swept over the 0 to 5 volt range, as you can see. And now I want to plot the collector current. I want to hover close to the collector, and you can see the mouse cursor changing to this current clamp symbol. Click on the collector, and you can see this is a plot of collector current versus VCE.